shot, car number 88. 91 on the clock. 88, 85 down with Pinnacle, still at it. 83, still in the action. 90, 92, 87, still at it. 85, watch the driver's door behind you. 85, watch the door. Still at it now, 88, 83. 88 now with a good shot, 83 with contact. Three of them hooked up down there, 90 and 92, trying to get them free. And they watching out for the door. 85 back and running again. Still at it. 83, 85 and 90. 88. Car number 92 and 89. 85 down with the front end shot. Still at it. We could be down to 4 of them right now. Car number 90, bring it to the middle. Still at it. Again. With a hard shot, 88 in on the action. 83 lining it up. We're down to 3 cars and only 3. 83 now with a good shot. Still at it. 88, 89, 83. 83 hit 1 car now. Making second last contact. Keep them going, drivers. Keep them going. You got it. That's going to be it.